delighted to present yet another distinguished recipient for this year's One-Star Awards. The One-Star Award is granted to an outstanding institution from Region 4B, proudly representing the province of Oriental Mindoro for its exemplary delivery of 2 programs, Dressmaking NC2 and Organic Agriculture Production NC2 program. Let us all give a warm round of applause to Simeon Suwan Vocational and Technical College. To receive the award, we now invite on stage the Administrator, Mr. Israfel El Mani. We also take great pleasure in welcoming TESDA Oriental Mindoro Provincial Director Olivet J. Pastores, and on behalf of Regional Director Angelina Carrion, we have Mr. Manuel C. Lacson Jr., the Acting Chief ESD Specialist of TESDA Region 4B, Regional Operations Division. Once again, our sincere congratulations to the management and staff of Simeon Suwan Vocational and Technical College.